Hello, party people. Hello. It's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. We got a little unboxing today. This is something that I bought in a buyout on Facebook. I don't exactly remember what's all in here. I bought this from Miss Anderson. I had asked some of the Thunderhorse Descendants to join her group when she was destashing beads. So we're going to find out what is in here. I think I have, I have beads and I have, I think, a tool. So, okay, I remember now. I bought the looper, but it was a different size. She had it for a good price. I think it was $12. This one is the 1.5 millimeter looper, because you know your girl can't make a simple loop. So I got the small one, you guys, and that's perfect because this morning on morning coffee I said that I wanted to make like a rosary chain type of situation design with my bargain bead box. So exciting. I got that. Super good. So I got that one. And then this one was a mix of beads, and I'm not really sure what all is in here, but I think they're gray. And gray is one of my favorite colors, so I'm excited to see what is in here. And she packaged everything really nicely so that it wouldn't come apart or get broken. Looks like it also has some... Oh, okay. I see. She put that inside the box. That's a good idea, so that they don't come flying all over. I got it. Let me see if I can't just go like this. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, that was a little bit close, but it works. We'll just start one little square at a time. Oh, these are cool. I'm so excited. Some crystals. So this was a gray mix. Looks like it's got a little bit of brown in there. Looks like some of these are Jesse James beads and some of them are probably not. Those are really cool. Oh, yeah. Awesome. And all these are new. They haven't been used. They were just in her stash. Oh, look at these weird ones. Oh, I like those. They're a different shape, and I really like them. They're acrylic, but they're cool looking. Got a few ceramic in there, some boho beads. Very cool. Let's see what we got up here. Oh, we got some little pearl printed guys. These are cool. These look to be ceramic, I think. Or are they plastic? I think. Well, maybe they're plastic, but they got this really cool, like almost army looking kind of design on them. I like that. Let's move over here. These are cool. These are white and black crystals. Everything that I've gotten from her, I've really enjoyed. And Shannon had split up a few of the beads, the last box that I bought, which was also gray. So I got all the gray beads. These are interesting. Oh, zoom me out a little smidge. Comes Mr. Bunsen to investigate, sitting over there in the window. Oh, those are cool. Nice. So I just went out to get my mail. We just finished up with the camp. If you didn't get a chance to see that, that was hilarious. And I thought, oh, I'll get my mail. And then here I had a few packages, so Those are nice. Now see, all these, I think, are these the same? Yeah, they are the same size. Cool. Oh yeah, I like those a lot. I can be doing some cool stuff with that. Now some of this stuff you guys might see in the bead packs because we've been making Thunderhorse Descendant bead packs. They've been selling out pretty quick. I think I posted 14 yesterday and half of them have sold already. So we've been matching pendants up and ooh, this one's cool. I like that. We've been matching pendants up and beads and all kinds of stuff because I've been getting a lot of buyouts recently and it's been super fun. So this is my little order that I got from Miss Anderson. So I think she's still got some things available online. She's been posting and I don't know, I just get a notification when she posts. So this one's cool. Yeah. Lots of gray, and I love gray. I really like how a lot of the beads are different. Oh, here's a white one. Oh, I guess it is gray. It's just a lighter gray. I like how a lot of the beads are different, but most of the beads that I've gotten from her, I've either gotten, you know, at least a pair, you know, like of these specialty beads. It's like at least a pair or 4, you know, so that's nice. When you're trying to make a necklace and you want it to have symmetry, then you have all the match, the pairs at least, you know what I mean? So that's been really nice. Yeah. So that's that order. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing day. I'm going to send you all the super good beading vibes. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for notifications. That'll let you know when I'm putting up new videos. And I recently came back from vacation, so we're trying to get back into the video doings. I will be doing a video about bargain bead box here shortly. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Please leave me a comment and leave me a like. I try to answer all the comments on YouTube. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.